Hi, I'm Gemma from The Styling Edge and I want to welcome you to our latest style property. When you first walk into the house, you've got this beautiful long hallway, and what we wanted to do here was create a gallery effect and choose the artwork that's really going to then set the tone for the whole house. In order to continue that colour scheme from that front hallway, we then come into the back lounge room and we've got beautiful soft blues and a lot of natural timbers and natural fibres in our rugs. In the master bedroom, it's beautiful and wide, so what we've done is we've spread out the artwork and gone over the bedside tables close to the middle, and then we've done a beautiful bench that goes to the side here. Thanks for taking a look through one of our latest style properties, and we'll see you at the next one.